Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, May 12th, and we've got a couple of items on the docket today. So we'll start off with the weekly jobless claims. So last week we had 274,000 people apply for unemployment. This week the forecast is supposed to be in that range at 270,000, and it actually jumped up 20,000, 294,000. This is the highest number we've seen in a while. So that came kind of surprise, especially on the heels when we've had the job numbers with only 160,000 new jobs created. Last month. So this is going to be important to watch with jobs. This is kind of showing basically what it comes down to is that the economy is growing at a very, very modest pace, but it's not really, because it's at such a modest pace, it's not able to keep up with the labor in the terms of that trying to build up a robust labor force where it's going to kind of keep that at a lower level. We may not be able to see labor improve as much unless the economy picks up more. Import price index, that means basically things coming in, the cost of goods coming into the U.S. are increasing. So last month it was 0.3%, and it continued that same trend in April at 0.3% here. Market's a little mixed today. A lot of it's taken it some. It did look at the jobless claims, but also some stocks with earnings reports and everything maneuvers that they're kind of take a little bit more precedence. Some of them are feeling a little bit better. Oil jumped up to $46 a barrel. There'll be a few members, Fed members, speaking out today. A few of them are voting members as well that will be speaking. So if there's any talk about interest rates this year or any lead into as to the thinking behind the interest rates, all ears will be listening to them to find out more, and that could definitely change the markets as they say anything out of anything that might bring about interest rates this year or next. Bond market, we closed up higher yesterday. We closed up about 10 basis points. This morning we started lower. We're again falling in. This is the 25-day moving average right here, and right here we got the 10-day moving average. So we did close above the 10-day moving average, but we started below it, and we're kind of again stuck in between the range. We did even touch the floor here, which could help us later on to push further up. But again, this is going to be a tight range here, so we'll probably be staying mostly within this range for a little bit until we get pushed downwards, as we haven't been above this trend line, this resistance here at 103 for a long time, since again about a year and a half if you've been following. But right now we're up for the day, but we're about 10 basis points lower than where we left off yesterday, which we're kind of on the border of possibly worse pricing, but right now we're okay. We're about this, so right now pricing comes in. It hasn't really changed the interest rates as much. All right, you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.